Hello guys, in this short session we will try to learn how to calculate a density of a particular metal in a given area. You may have come across situations while you've been working that if at all you had to calculate the density of a particular metal in a given area, what should you do? Okay, you don't have to wait till the end of your complete layout completion to be able to do that, because there could be scenarios wherein you might be getting into max densities, or you might be getting into min density issues or something of that sort. Like, say, based on your experience, if at all you sense that you may have to check the density of a particular metal in a given area, okay, then this particular utility comes in very handy. Okay, generally whenever we are dealing with density related issues, when it comes to FinFET related designs, it is very important that you check for base level density of your whole module, whatever you're working, beforehand. Even before you clean up the base density, base DRCs, or even before you start the routing, just do the floor plan of your design, and then you can check for the base density. Okay, how to do that? Let's take this test case over here, the tool here. So I'll just select poly over here. I'll draw, this is my PR boundary, which is 10 cross 10. You can see in the coordinate section, this is 10 cross 10 over here. Just for the sake of explanation, I've just created this. So let me select the PC over here, poly. I'll just draw a couple of lines here. Okay, just randomly, just to demonstrate how to calculate the whole density. Okay, I've just copied a couple of instances over here. Now, if at all I have to calculate the density of what the poly over here in this region, I'll just go over here, tools. Okay, there is this area and density calculator. Okay, you can use this utility. It comes really very handy when you're working, especially when you have to check the max density related errors. So just click on this. Here it says all. Okay, now you have different options. You can select whatever metal you want to check, or you can just select the layer which you want to check, or if you like, you can have any base level layer or metal layer or whatever you want. Okay, and then you can select, if at all you want to mention the list of metals which you want to check, you can write M1, M2, M3 over here. Okay, so as of now I'll just put it over here, and I'll just say PC, which is my poly PC drawing. Okay, and I'll say that I want to check it within the visible cell view. Okay, let's see how it works. Entire cell view, let me select this entire cell view, whatever it is. Okay, apply. There you go. So here it's the name of this thing is a test case. It gives all the details over here, and it says the region is 10 cross 10, which I mentioned, and the layer is PC drawing. Total area is this. Total area of the whole metal is this, and the density of PC is this. Thereby, say if at all you know that this is the maximum density what you can have your poly in this particular region. Okay, with the help of this particular feature, you can calculate the maximum density and ensure that the base level layers are within the given limit. Okay, so now I've shown over here with respect to the metal PC over here. Now I will just draw some metals over here. Okay, so let me just draw a couple of metals together. Okay. This is just to show you, this is how you can utilize this feature. Okay, so let me just create some more instances of this. We are not bothered about, I mean, for this test case, we are not looking at the DRCs and all. We are just seeing the overall option here. I'll just select this, only the selected, tools, area. I'll say only the selected metal. Over here, I'll just change it to M1. Drawing, I'll just say apply. There you go. I get only M1. The total area of M1 is this within the boundary of 10 cross 10, and this is the overall density of M1 in this region. Okay, so now let me show you another example over here. I'll just copy all of this. I'll flip it. I press the middle mouse button. I'll press Q and I'll change all of this to M2. Okay, here is M2 drawing. Say apply here. Now I'll just pick some of this. I'll just say copy. I'll make another vertical over here and I'll change this to metal. Let's say let me put it metal 3. Metal 3 drawing. Apply. Okay. So now let me just figure out the overall density of all the metals in this region. Let me just save this first. So I'll go over here, tools, area and density calculator. I'll say all. Okay. And over here, I will just put all the metals, all the whatever I want to check. Okay, because generally, whenever you're doing such things, you wouldn't be doing for everything. You're a little bit selective when you're using this particular feature. You just want to check a particular metal, whether that is in min density or max density. Generally, it helps in max density to be true. So M3, okay. I mean, right now because I have used PC, M1, M2, and M3, I'm just mentioning those layers over here. Okay. Generally, when you have to use this feature, you would specifically look for to check the density of a particular metal over here. Now that I have selected all of this, I've just changed the metals over here, just random shapes. I say apply, and there you go. Okay. So it gives me the overall density of all the metals. M1, M2 is this much, M3. You see this, there is variation over here. Here I deleted some, I changed some. Because M1 and M2, I have just flipped it and I've changed the metal. Right? That's why the numbers are same. Now for M3, I just selected few and I, flipped it and changed the numbers. So the number is different over here. Okay, so that's how you can you can play around with this, for one level of hierarchy, current level to bottom level, what is the metal, this is a flat design though, but if at all you want to try out, you can create a hierarchical design, and then play around with this stop level you can give, or you can just say current top to bottom, so you can utilize this feature for the hierarchical design as well, and probably the viewing area or the selected boundary, or even you can select the geometry over here. So I think this feature this comes very, very handy, and it will really help you with the initial stage of your layout design. Especially I would advise all the layout engineers to use these features wherever you feel that you might end up into max density related issues. Okay, so this feature will certainly come in handy for you guys. Okay, so that's all about this feature over here about density calculator. Hope this helps. Thank you.